Welcome guys, this is Infinix Hot 10 model. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove back cover of the phone. Be careful, do not damage fingerprint scanner flex. Keep finger on the fingerprint scanner and pull up the back cover. Remove tape from ringer buzzer. Screws are under the tape. Remove screws from the ringer buzzer. Remove ringer buzzer. This is ringer buzzer and this is connection point. Sub flex connected from main board to sub board. Disconnect from sub board. Disconnect antenna wire. Remove pull out charging port and mic sub board. This is charging port. This is hands-free port and hands-free connection point. This is mic. Install new charging port and mic sub board in the body. Connect antenna wire to the sub board. Connect sub flex connector to the sub board. Install ringer buzzer in the body. Put back all the screws on ringer buzzer. Install back cover of the phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. All you have done successfully. Thank you for watching.